Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So for today's tech tip, what are the dangers of Dropbox and other file sync applications? So if you're using Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, or other consumer-grade file and sync sharing cloud application, you need to listen up. These applications pose a huge threat to your company because company data can be spread far and wide without central oversight of what is being shared and whom it's being shared with. Furthermore, over 7 million Dropbox accounts have been hacked, giving cybercriminals a pathway into the company's network. This is even more important if your company has access to or stores financial, medical, or other sensitive data. Using file sharing applications like these are a clear and direct violation of data breach and compliance laws. Bottom line, don't use them for company data and use only company-approved business-grade file sharing applications. If you need help on this, reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. Please click on the subscribe button. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Be safe out there.